Hello everyone, welcome to Shubro English platform. In today's video, we are going to learn an important topic of English in a very easy way. If you want to learn English from the beginning, this video is perfect for you. Today's topic is Preposition Part 3. We will learn it with simple rules and clear examples. So, watch the video carefully and try to practice by yourself. Let's get started. Look at the picture below and fill in the blanks with the appropriate prepositions. 1. The clock is ellipses the wall. 2. The ball is ellipses the table. 3. The cat is ellipses the armchair. 4. The table is ellipses the armchair. 5. The carpet is ellipses the floor. 6. The lamp is ellipses the table. 7. The flowers are ellipses the vase. 8. The table is ellipses the chair and the armchair. Now let's find out the answers. 1. The clock is on the wall. 1. The clock is on the wall. The clock is on the wall. 2. The ball is under the table. 2. The ball is under the table. 3. The cat is beside the armchair. 3. The cat is beside the armchair. Beside. The table is next to the armchair. 4. The table is next to the armchair. Next. 2. 5. The carpet is on the floor. 5. The carpet is on the floor. On. 6. The lamp is 6. The lamp is on the table. The lamp is on the table. On. 7. The flowers are in the vase. The flowers are in the vase. The flowers are in the vase. Vase. In. 8. The table is between the chair and the armchair. The armchair. 8. The table is between the chair and the armchair. Between. Answer 1. The clock is on the wall. 2. The ball is under the table. 3. The cat is beside the armchair. 4. The table is next to the armchair. 5. The carpet is on the floor. 6. The lamp is on the table. 7. The flowers are in the vase. In the vase. 8. The table is between the chair and the armchair. Dear students, I hope today's lesson 18 helped you understand prepositions clearly. This concludes our video for today. We will meet again in the next lesson. Wishing you all the best and good health.